Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so beautiful and simple at the same time. I am blown away. Guys, this is crazy. This is unbelievable. What he is doing is so simple, a 5-year-old can do it. Oh my God. I am blown away. Guys, this is crazy. Look at that crazy. How masterfully he is doing it. This is unbelievable. I bet I can make it as well, but not at that level. What do you think, guys? Will I butcher this DIY? So beautiful. I loved it. This is unbelievable. I bet I can make it as well. So beautiful. I loved it. I am blown away. Guys, this is crazy. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Well, I loved watching this video with you guys. The final result is amazing. I am going to try this one for sure. Well, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. See ya.